The biggest misconception with regards to a digital marketing agency is as soon as you use the word agency, it's like, ooh, these guys are expensive. Yeah, you do get boutique agencies and they are just high end, and they would prefer dealing with corporates because they can take 3 months to just do the basic stuff and sit within meetings all the time. We are a performance digital agency focused on small business. Small business saying, I am not the F&B and the Vodacom and that can spend millions of rands on advertising. I've got a small budget and I'm looking for a good return on investment. That is what we are focused on. We're a small agency that focuses on small business that goes and says, come to us, we will assist you. And doesn't matter if you're a startup or if you're a very small business, a one-man band, small to medium-sized business is the market that we target and that we focus on. And the misconception is that all digital marketing agencies are high-end and that they're expensive and they only deal with large corporates. That's not the case. That's certainly not who we are. If you've got a business, speak to us. Even if you're already doing digital marketing and you're doing some marketing, either you're doing it yourself, speak to us. Let's discuss what you are doing, and I can tell you either, yes, you're on the right path, well done, just look at this, look at that, you can do this. Advice is free. Give us a call. Let's discuss your requirements.